Title: Ancient History. The Slave Who Stole a Ship. Robert Smalls in 1862. During the American Civil War, Robert Smalls was an enslaved man in Charleston, South Carolina. He worked as a deckhand on the Confederate transport ship CSS Planter. But Smalls carried a plan no one suspected. One night, while the white officers were ashore, Smalls and his fellow enslaved crew quietly took control of the vessel. Wearing the captain's hat, Smalls steered the Planter through Confederate checkpoints. He gave the right signals, raised the right flags, and calmly sailed past enemy forts, with freedom just ahead. At dawn, he reached Union waters and surrendered the ship. Not only had he delivered himself and his family to freedom, but he also gave the Union a warship loaded with weapons and intelligence. Smalls went on to fight bravely for the Union Navy and later became a U.S. congressman, proof that courage can rewrite destiny. Robert Smalls teaches us, freedom is never given. It is taken with bravery, strategy, and unshakable will. Let his story remind us that history belongs to those who dare to change it.